Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guy's bug. To know how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guy's bug, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about Stumble Guys and you will enter. When you find it you will enter here. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that we'll enter to storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. We'll find Stumble Guys. You can uninstall your application. When you click here, then you can wait to install again your app to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.